Hey guys, this is another video of hunting the wild cat.
The
Where
wild?
we hunt Ansel's wild cat. Okay.
We're not actually like hunting it. We're just
we're
seeing what things she does in her outdoor environment.
So let's go. Let me see the phone.
Let's go out front.
This is hunting the wild cat.
Part 2, yes.
And we are looking for this wild cat right now.
Come here. So before we begin our hunting, there's a giant wasp. That's, I think, that is
Right up there, if you can see it.
very disgusting.
I don't know if they can see it, but
We sprayed it, so
yes.
I don't know. Let's go. I think she's out here somewhere. Oh, look, a rat. Look, a clue.
That looks like an owl pellet.
Look, there's feathers on it.
Actually, might be that might be a hairball.
Did she eat a bird?
Because owls don't. Oh no, owls do eat other birds, but that's not what an owl pellet looks like.
There were baby turkeys here. I think she's over here. Be very stealthy.
If you want to know about clicking, this is my flip flops.
I see her. She's under the table. See her?
Yes. The wild cat has just ran around the corner. It's getting away. You can hear its bell ringing. It must be very stealthy.
Walk faster. You must walk faster. So we can see the cat on footage.
That is a bird up there. It's quite a beautiful sound. I don't know why I'm speaking in this accent.
Where's the cat?
She's probably around this corner. Wait.
Wait a second. Something's fishy. I found her.
The wild cat has run away. It has evaded us once more. Find out next time if we catch it on Hunting the Wild Cat.